What's good, YouTube? It's your boy K2 Analytics, and today back with another video. I'm gonna teach y'all boys what the Vix is, understanding the Vix. You know what I'm saying? It's probably gonna be a short video because it's really simple. You know what I'm saying? The Vix is just a tool used to help you trade the SPY. Alright, background information. VIX is short for the volatility index. It has a strong connection to the SPY. It is not a security that can be traded, and it is a tool used for trading the markets. Okay, so a little background information for y'all. Now, the VIX and the SPY relationship. The SPY is short for the S&P 500, and it tracks the top 500 companies. Just if y'all ain't know what that is, that's like a part of the stock market. The VIX measures the volatility in the stock market. You see how they both go, bro? You see how the S&P 500, the top 500 companies in the stock market, and the VIX measures the volatility in the stock market? All right, so now the VIX and the SPY have the inverse relationship. What that means is, as the SPY goes down, the VIX usually goes up. As the VIX goes down, SPY usually goes up. You know what I'm saying? It's opposites. You know what I'm saying? South and North Pole. Alright, so this is an example on the daily time frame. The left is the VIX and the right is the SPY. As you can see right here on the stock RSI, you see how the RSI is at the bottom. Now, I'm gonna let you know, it's not gonna always be like this for the indicator. This is why you use more than one. This is why you use time frames, use different time frames, use moving averages. That's why you have to use everything when it comes to trading these markets. But for this example, it works. You see on the left is for the daily. It's at the bottom for the stock RSI. I don't know if you can see it, but it's at the bottom. Then do a little curve to the up. Now on the right, this is the SPY. The exact same time. You see how it's maxed out at the top and it's starting to curve down. You see it's the total opposite. How this is at the top curving down and it's at the bottom curving up. This is the daily time frame. Now we're gonna see what it look like on a minute. Alright, so this is this is the hourly time frame. Okay, so you see how we have a double top right here, 1, 2. Now look, we go to the VIX, we have a double bottom right here, 1, 2. Now you see the stock RSI for both of them, they don't really attract. You know, they pretty opposites. But if you look at the regular RSI at the very bottom, you see on the left side of the VIX, you see how it does this little dip curve, like it's at the top and then it dips down, it pushes up slightly up, then falls down. Now look, now you're finna look at the VIX right on the right. So this is about the same point right here. And you see how it's damn near at the bottom. Then it goes up, dips, and it goes back down, and then it goes up. You know what I'm saying? See how this one just falls off? This one just starts going up and branching up. You see, opposites attract. Now I'm finna take out the trader view so we can have a real-time example of this shit. Alright, so this is the VIX. This is the VIX right here, and this is the SPY. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna delete that for y'all. Alright, so this is currently 8:21 right now, and the VIX hourly time frame. You see how the stock RSI for the VIX is at the top right here, and it's starting to branch off. Let's see what the SPY is doing for the regular RSI at the bottom. Alright, see now the RSI for the SPY is at the bottom, but it's starting to branch up. Now you look at the one for the VIX, it's at the top, and it's starting to branch down. Like I said, they're not identical. But if you're looking at one, that can give you a general direction of what the other's going to do. Okay, so look. This is the 4 hour. Because like I said, it only measures the volatility. You know what I'm saying? The higher it goes up, normally that means the stocks are going down. Like I said, this is the VIX for the 4 hour. Then we're going to go to the SPY for the 4 hour. See what that's doing. Alright. So the VIX is in an uptrend. It's in the uptrend. It's going up. See how it's going up, basically in the uptrend though. Right here, this is October 6th, Thursday. Now we're gonna see what the SPY doing October 6th. You see the SPY is in the downtrend now. You see the VIX been in the uptrend for a good little minute, and the SPY been in the downtrend for a good little minute. Alright. So like I said, you said October 6th, what we gonna do? So look, October 6th. That's like around the time it starts selling off, it goes down. You see how it goes down? And look, October 6th for this is where it starts going up. You see? VIX starts going up. Then for the SPY, October 6th, you see? It took a little minute now, but look, it starts to go down. That would say patience is key when it comes to trading these markets. You know what I'm saying? It's really not that difficult. This works for any time frame. It really does, but like I said, it just gives you the general direction. It's not like 100% guaranteed. It only trades the volatility in the markets. Like how I trade this, I use Bitcoin, the SPY, and Vix, because all three of them, that's like a goddamn 95% accuracy. Now I'm about to do a little summary of this shit so I can sum it up for y'all boys. So like I said, the VIX moves opposite to the S&P 500. As SPY goes down, the VIX usually goes up. As the VIX goes down, SPY usually goes up. It is used to measure the volatility of the markets. So you already know what it is, man. It's your boy K2, and we out of here, man. Go ahead and subscribe, like it up, and get high for shit. So, man, I'm out of here.